Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. It's been a while since I made a post here. I had taken some time off for myself and had been away. I logged in today and found so many requests from people to make a post. So, here it is. This post explains one of Neville's core teachings. Consciousness is the only reality using a simple metaphor. This metaphor is taken from ancient Hindu scriptures. I hope it helps you in understanding Neville Goddard's concepts as it helped me. Advaita philosophy says that everything in this world, including you and me, derives its existence from an underlying fundamental reality they called Brahman. The world you experience is just a mere appearance or form of Brahman, like a pot that is a form of clay. So, if everything is a form or a manifestation of Brahman, then there's only Brahman. Nothing else truly exists. In other words, it just says the same thing as what Neville said: consciousness is the only reality. To understand this, consider the metaphor of a clay pot. We say that the pot is made of clay, but really speaking, pot and clay are not two different things. The pot is simply a form of clay. It's just clay in the shape of a pot. Let's say it weighs a few ounces, kgs. How much is due to the clay and how much is due to the pot? The pot adds nothing. The pot is just a name or form. It's not an independent thing like clay. Clay can exist without the pot, but the pot can't exist without the clay. So, something that's independent like the clay is called satyam, and the form is called mithya. When you extend this metaphor to the entire world, you'll understand that everything in this 3D world that we experience is just a mere name and form of the one true underlying reality: consciousness. This means concepts or states of being such as the rich, the poor, or a thief or anything else is just a name or form, an idea formed in and from consciousness. The rich man is conscious of being rich and hence manifests riches. The poor man is conscious of being poor and hence manifests poverty. The idea or the form changes, but the essence from which everything is formed remains the same. When you understand this simple truth, you'll understand everything and how manifestation works. You'll only manifest what you are conscious of being. Consider your consciousness as the clay, and your imagination as the potter who gives it the desired shape and form. What does the potter do once he gives the desired shape and form to the clay? Nothing. There is nothing else to be done. Just leave it be until it hardens naturally. Interfering before it hardens will only distort it. So, leave it be until it hardens into a fact. Subscribe if you liked this video.